Okay, this is a piece of wood. I have no idea what it is. It came from some wood turner's collection of wood that when he passed away I got it. So I'm not sure what this is, but I'm going to turn it, and as you can see it's pretty lopsided. My intent is to turn a bowl over here, leave a rim all the way around, and have that, and then make it a bowl, the bottom of a bowl on the bottom. Or sorry, this is the top. This is, I'll leave a rim up here, yes, just like I just said. But and this will be curved in, so the bark will go away here. But the bark will be existing in some places because unless it just comes off. I've got this, as you can see, it's quite a bit off center. So I don't know exactly how well that's going to turn, but I've turned an off center thing before. So this is the woodworm screw on this side. And you can see this is not a crotch, but two branches that came from a crotch. So it's going to have some distortions in the wood at the intersection. We'll see what it looks like. I don't know how big the hole is going to, maybe 5 inches in diameter. But in any case, that's what I got. Okay, I've got this piece here. I've got my tenon. This is slightly recessed. The tenon attaches here. As you can see, this is way lopsided. My intent is, I guess, my current intent. You can see I've curved this in. So my intent is to curve this slightly in here. This is just this ring here is indicating the maximum that a bowl that wouldn't break out would be on this side versus that side. This is about 3-inch radius to this line here. On this side, this is flared up a little bit, so on the top, it'll be a little bit away from the edge. My intent here is to, as you can see, I've curved this in. I'm going to curve in from the top, kind of make this parallel, come back up to where there'll be a bead or something on the top of this bowl. My next step is to machine this side flat on this side, and so this will be kind of like a handle on the bowl. Okay. Okay, I finished sanding this piece. I'm not actually sure what it is. It's live edge. All the bark pretty much stayed on where I didn't machine it. It's got a lot of woodpecker holes in it. It's got two. It's a crotch, but not the whole thing. It doesn't come to where they're joined together. So here's one branch. There's two more branches. I decided to make it a bowl and a handle because of the lopsided nature of it. It wasn't going to be anything nice otherwise. It's very unusual. So, in any case, that's it. It's ready for finish. Okay, it's Watco tongue oil is what I'm going to finish with. Put it on with this brush. I probably have too much here, but we'll see. Start on the outside. Now the bottom was already finished, so the outside only really needs a coat to touch it up. Okay, here's my latest bowl. It's made from a piece of wood I got from someone who his father had passed away. He was a turner, and this was one of the pieces of wood that the guy passed on to me because he knew I was turning things. So I don't have a clue as to what it is. This is a live edge, many woodpecker holes around the perimeter. I decided to, because it was so lopsided, I decided to put a handle on a bowl, and it's different. I got a double branch here and a single branch there. This is a crotch, and it was a challenge to make because it was turned offset, so it was swinging out there 4 inches beyond the perimeter of the bowl, and so you had to be careful turning. I've done a couple of offset things, but this was the heaviest one that I've done. I guess that's about it. I don't have a clue as to what the wood is. If you like what you see, please like and subscribe for more similar wood turning videos. Please comment on the video and I should respond. If you want to be notified when my next video comes out, then click the bell. I make a video about once a week.